She do the fool, she go to school, she got a job, do hair on the side. Mama told me that not every girl is worth my time. I see you, babe. That's hustle, babe.
I'm taking Anastasia Dip Brow. This is in the shade dark brown. Sometimes I use chocolate. It's a little bit more red tone, but lately I've been using dark brown. I just take a little bit and then I kind of just like warm it up on the lid. I know some people warm it up on the back of their hand, but I don't like getting my hands messy. No, I don't like that. I'm a little bit sick, so like getting sick, I don't even know. I don't know what's going on. This weather in Texas, you guys know. People that live in Texas know Texas weather. If you don't live in Texas, you might not know, but if you live in Texas, you know how our weather be acting up. The brush I'm using is from Miss A. It's the 116 brush, and it's just a basic angled lash. If a bitch can just find her motherfucking mirror. It was on my kitchen counter. I don't know why, but anyways, bitch, let's hurry the fuck up. I always start under my brows, and I start like right here, like just a little bit past that beginning part of your brow. The pomades, they dry out, so I know some people don't like them because of that, but I love them. I love them. And honestly, I saw a comment that Anastasia wrote herself. Well, I mean, obviously I don't know if it was her fucking self, but it was her Instagram account, and she basically said like if it dries up, that you can always just heat up like a bowl of hot water and put it in there, and it'll like, you know, kind of come back to life without really ruining the formula. Because I know some people say like, oh, put oil in it or put this or that. Like Anastasia says, don't put nothing in it because you're gonna ruin the formula. And I mean, she's right, guys. Like, a lot of people don't think that you're gonna ruin the formula by putting like a beauty oil or a serum or coconut oil in their products, but they can be ruined that way, you guys. I don't worry too much about my brows like when I'm filling them in, because I always go clean them up with concealer. Whatever, not worrying about brows. This one always just comes out so lovely, and this one's just like, bitch, you need to get your shit together. I'm just combing them out with this spoolie. Just like so. This is the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer. I don't know if this is like in a certain color or this is the only color they make. I really don't know. But you guys, this is just like heaven. Like, it looks just like, I don't know. Like, it just makes you like glowy and dewy. Sometimes I mix this in with my foundation, but it obviously, when you're putting something into your foundation, it's gonna sheer it out. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Valencia. I just bought this foundation not so long ago. As you can tell, it's pretty full, and if you guys know, this is their newest foundation. And it's extremely full coverage. It sits well on the skin. I don't know, guys, y'all need to try it out if you guys haven't. It's like perfect. It oxidizes just a hint, but nothing like, you know, like too bad. Once you put on like the rest of your face, I feel like it just It looks really good. So I focus my foundation on the outside of my face because obviously my concealer is gonna go on the inner areas. I suck at like showing you guys what I'm doing. And then I'm just going under. Again, when I can, I'll do a more like in-depth tutorial.
That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe.
You wake up in the morning and you start your grind. You got that slay in that body, but I respect your mind. And every guy would love to call you mine, but you ain't into all these antics and you don't waste no time. Fuck your last nigga, girl, cause he ain't treat you like he should. I ain't your last nigga, girl, cause I really came out the hood. You got your whole life ahead and I can see that you a star. Don't let these critics tell you nothing, baby, just do you go hard. I see you, babe. You're so amazed. Got your degree, cash all you see.
Look, when you have a child, you just never know. You just never know what you're going to be able to do and what you're not going to be able to do. And that's basically it. Like,
that's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, baby. Handles her business. She keep her bills paid. Make sure that the kids straight and don't need a damn thing. I see you, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe.
then I'm just taking my damp sponge. This is the Real Technique. I love it, I guess. It's not a beauty blender for sure. You know what I mean? But regardless, it gets the job done.
I see you, babe. You're so amazed. Got your degree, cash all you see, and mommy, I'm not playing. Passion over when always got niggas staring. Baby, if this would cause, I swear your ass be a McLaren. You been on game and you could never.
I'm just blending everything out. I try to get really good into my hairline because I hate when you could see, like, I guess part of your like scalp by your baby hairs, and it's just not the business. Fuck. Okay, so next, my concealer that I'm gonna use. I love this concealer. It's a hate-love foundation. You either hate it, foundation, concealer. You either hate it or you love it, like one or the other. This is the MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and this is an NC30. It don't matter. So I apply the concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and between my brows and the center of my forehead. And God, you guys, I'm so bad at this. This is the Morphe M224. This is what I use to carve out my brows and to apply this concealer. Okay, and I'm still using my damp sponge. You guys just don't just don't mind this mirror right here, because a bitch needs it to see, okay? Like, I'm not fancy like all these YouTubers and have like a vanity and stuff, because a bitch has kids and bills, okay? And guess what? I'm going in with the translucent airspun powder. You can find this at Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, I believe. And I'm just gonna set everything with this. I'm going in with my damp sponge, but on this like flat side, because I don't like the way it makes the sponge feel. So I use this specifically for powder and the rest for foundation, because Honestly, I like the way it applies it, but I don't like what it does to the sponge. If you get what I'm saying, it creates like a hard layer of like powder and stuff. And like my hair is just wild. Just wild. I'm like, girl, get your shit together. Like, let me just put it up real quick, cause
don't fuck with lanes and all you do is get paid, ma. They say you change, but fuck what these bitches say, ma. Who cares about tomorrow? Living today, ma.
She go to school, she got a job, do hair on the side. Mama told me that not every girl is worth my time. I see you, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe.
I'm 21, bitch. I got wrinkles on my nose. I mean, on my freaking... on the side of my mouth. Like, what? No. Like, that's not cute. So then I powder the forehead. And I take the edge and go, like, right on the edge of my brow, just carefully, just to set that concealer in place. And I do the same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe B81, which is just like a super fluffy, like, I guess all over, because it's not defined to where you can get in the crease or anything like that. It's just kind of like to powder and set all over the lid. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold edition palette that they did. I'm going in with Sandalwood, which is just like the brown that's like in the corner. And I'm just going in lightly with this. And you just smoke it out a little bit, like, I'm kind of just putting this like above the crease above the crease as a transition, and then I'm winging it out, but just like a real little bit. Bless you, cat bug. I want to sit down and do some crazy like color tutorials, but the way my life is set up right now, I got way too much shit going on to like sit down and concentrate on all of that. Just because I love you guys, I'm gonna do a real quick smoky eye. Literally, it's 12:32. Her appointment's at 1, you guys, at 1. The latest I could leave here is like 12:50. So I have like 20 minutes left to finish this tutorial. It comes with 2. This is the e.l.f. one. I just bought it. It's cheap and it comes with $2, and it comes with 2 sharpeners. I think Revlon had one for like 99 cents, but it was just 1 sharpener. I'm like, bitch, you get 2 for the same price. What are you doing? This is a black liner from Wet n Wild. I don't care what liner you use, just do it. You know what I mean? I'm putting this all on the top. Of my lashes. I'm sorry for the pauses, you guys. I just like can't really talk while I'm doing this. I just need to concentrate. I'm also tightlining just a little bit. You don't have to, but I kind of have to because mine like shows, and it like when I have black on my lid, it just looks like hella weird. This is just like a dense brush from BH Cosmetics. It came in one of the like kits or whatever it's called. So I'm just going in and blending this out. So I just put that black liner on. And I'm just to this palette, I'm going to take Cocoa. This is again the Huda Beauty palette. I'm taking Cocoa, which is one of the darker browns, and I'm just going over the lid. This is one of the moments motherhood gets you. Like, bitch, you thought you was gonna be able to do your makeup, mama. Like, come pick me up, come feed me, come change my diaper. Like, cause I shitted 3 times back to back. Nude liner. Mine's old as fuck, and I've used it so many fucking times, dude, that I need to buy a new one. I was gonna buy a new one yesterday, but for some reason I thought mine was way bigger than this. I don't even know. But this is a nude liner. You can take any liner. This one's from Rimmel. I'm throwing this in my waterline. Now I'm mixing henna cocoa together, and I'm taking that on the lower lash line. This is a really good like daytime smoky eye, because you're not taking like a black shadow on. Literally is throwing this in here.
Better. Oh.
Hello.
Hi. These are the 3D mist lashes. 3D volume mist lashes. I don't fucking know, dude. And then this is a duo, the black one. Girl. I'm just curling my lashes really quick. I'm taking the first lash. It's better to look down. I'll do like an in-depth tutorial on how to put lashes on later on. But like, not right now, bitch.
Worth my time. I see you, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, baby. Handles her business. She keep her bills paid. Make sure that the kids straight and don't need a damn thing. I see you, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe. That's hustle, babe.
That's hustle, babe.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I didn't put on blush because I wanted it to just be like a bronzier natural look. I just straightened out my hair, changed my top, and threw on some Sephora lip gloss. This is in the shade Perfect Nude. You guys, Perfect Nude, they weren't lying. Like, I had like drank some stuff, so it kind of wore off, but you guys. Like, tell me this is like I had to wait until I got back from her doctor's appointment because my battery had died, so I had to charge it for you guys. And well, I hope you guys love the finished look, and just leave in the comments what you guys want to see next and what you guys expect from me, what you guys liked from this video, what you guys didn't like, and just let me know how you guys are feeling about this quick daytime smoky eye. Bye guys.